3, 2, 1. Good day everyone. Today I'm going to do an experiment which is galvanic cell. Galvanic cell, also known as voltaic cell, whereby it is a device that creates electricity by using chemical reaction, specifically oxidation and reduction reaction. So, to give you guys a brief understanding about what is this device, we can say that it is a battery. Okay, inside the battery, they will undergo a chemical reaction inside it, and then produce a oxidation and reduction reaction, and thus creates electricity. The objective of this experiment is to determine whether we can do this experiment in a good manner, and also whether we can determine which one is anode and which one is cathode. I'm going to demonstrate the experiment and then briefly explain about it. So, enough introduction, let's get right into the materials and method. Okay, the measuring cup with the water, but this measuring cup is 100, so I cannot measure it directly, so I need this syrup cup for me to measure it and put it into my so-called beaker. So cute, right? Sodium bicarbonate, aluminium foil, graphite or carbon, spoon, crocodile clip and wire, multimeter. First step, what we're going to do is we need to put in the water inside the syrup cup and fill it until 50 milliliter. Okay, so done with 50 milliliter. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a half of teaspoon of the sodium bicarbonate, put into it, put inside, and then we use the teaspoon to stir it up. Then we're going to set up our multimeter. Okay, so for this multimeter, I'm going to set the range. Okay, I'm going to set the range within 10. I'm going to put the black color of the crocodile clip on the negative, on the terminal negative, while the red color crocodile clip on the terminal positive. So now, how do we determine whether the aluminium or the carbon or the graphite is on anode or cathode, is on terminal positive or in terminal negative? So the way for us to determine it is we see which one of both of them is going to undergo oxidation. So obviously it's going aluminium will be the one that undergoes oxidation. So what we will do, we will put aluminium foil on the terminal negative, while graphite we're going to put it on the terminal positive. Why? Okay, so why do we put it this way? Because terminal negative is anode will undergo oxidation. Okay, so meaning that aluminium will undergo oxidation, whereby the electrons will flow from the terminal negative to the terminal positive, which means anode is aluminium and then cathode is graphite. Okay, remember Leo and Ge. Lose electron oxidation, gain electron reduction. So now we're going to put it into the water. Okay, I put it inside it already. Let us wait for 1 minute. To record the observation. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Okay, so now we're going to do galvanic cell. I'm going to do experiment 4. Sorry, okay, 要重新一次，我又念错了。OK， 有刚刚有拍到这青色吗？有啊，哎呦，就没有用到我这东西。这样100 here. Okay, if you guys can see it. Don't know if you can see it. It's 100 here, okay? 我很紧张哎，很久我没有这样子做过哎。让我想想，再想想。It is 哎呦，很惨啊。好吧。Without magnesium.
Magnesium?
Tak ada magnesium. Guna aluminium lah.
Tidak, macam mana tidak tunjuk muka
Tak lah,
saya?
another one to take here.
Oh,
Sudah. Because this one mau tengok bahan, this one tengok face lah.
Okay. Tapi tengok face, dia macam ni. Macam ni lah. Bawah sikit. Agar dia nampak ni sikit. Macam tu sikit. Yes. Jadi pergerakan kamu dapat tengok kamu buat ni bah.
Like this one.
Itu cantik.
I think I just use it. I just finish it. Okay. My mom is going to scold me. Going to have to measure for 100. Do I need 100? No, I don't think I need this. I think I just do it. Right?
What?
Why I need this? Over. This is the function of the string, okay? 太多了。这张不好看呢，下一张。这张过来了啊，这张过来这。而且那 graphite 断掉。
断掉哦，graphite 我跟你讲哦，我还要拿一个另外一个进去哦。这个你把那个 aluminium 弄断不用紧哦，一大堆。
哦，我觉得是 graphite 用完了。
没有啦，没有那么快。
这么大个，没有一点刚刚拿一半而已嘛，
它没有不见啊，
就是老师当你这样子拿完的时候，它就直接出来了。You see 1 minute already? No. 1 minute feels so long right now.
You can see that. Calculate yourself. Read yourself, okay? Don't ask me to read.
Hả? 我有新买那个 aluminium foil
哦，是啊，在哪里？我还拔掉了哎。Good day, everyone. So today, good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to do. Hello, everyone. So today I'm going to do galvanic cell experiment. Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to do galvanic cell.